promo, right? Each of this bag has 80 wipes. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Lovely Esper. And yes, it's true. You heard me right. So my channel name now, it's now a Lovely Esper. And this is my journey. It's no more. And I'm sorry for that. I apologize to confuse you. Alright. So for those who's asking why, I think it's more better if I'm going to use the Lovely Esper compared to This Is My Journey. Right? I seek an advice for some friends about that, and some of my friends, they said use the Lovely Esper instead. You know, it's more better, it's more unique, it fits on your personality, to your channel name. And also I have a personal blog account on Instagram, which is the Lovely Esper. So for you not to confuse, I will change my channel name to Lovely Esper also, so it's easy for you to look my name to YouTube, right? I already made a decision. It's now a Lovely Esper. Alright, so that's my big announcement for today. And sorry to confuse you guys. And I hope you still support me and you still love me even if I change my channel name. Alright, so all the stuff that I'm going to show you for today is from Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Factory Burlington. Alright, this is like a random stuff that I got from that stores that I've mentioned to you. And I can't remember, I'm not sure which specifically this stuff I got from, you know what I mean. And you know, some of the items is for my future giveaways, so stay tuned for that. And some items is someone just gave to me, you know. Alright, so without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so let's proceed first to the makeup, and then after that is the skincare. Right after that is the clothing. Alright, so first thing that I'm going to show you for the makeup is Maybelline New York Dream Cushion. This is a liquid foundation on the go, on the shade of medium beige. And I'm not sure how much is this, but I think this is like a less than 20 or less than 15, something like that. So yeah, and this is how it looks like. There is a mirror, there's a sponge, cushion sponge. I already used this once actually. And then once you open it, like that, if I remove this cover, it will be messy, so I didn't remove it. And this is the cushion. Next is Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser from Maybelline New York. This one is a highly recommended, guys. Try this one, it's really amazing. I'm really impressed with this product. You know, right after I use this and I put foundation on my face, I feel like my face is really smooth. The foundation is really even, you know, on my face. I can tell the difference using this and without using of this on my face. So try this, guys. This is affordable, don't worry. This is like a less than $10. Alright, so next is Lash Sensational Full Fun Effect Layers of Lashes Reveal Volumizing Mascara from Maybelline New York. This one, and this one is like less than $10 again. I think like $5 or $6. Alright, next is Maybelline New York again. This is a Falsies Push-Up Drama Waterproof Mascara. So I used this already once, and yeah, not bad. It just put like one or two, it's fine, it's perfect. But if you put too much, it gets clumped. That's what happened to my eyelashes last time. So next is the Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen from Maybelline New York again. This is in a medium brown color, and this is at 24 hours. It's like a microblading tattoo pen for your eyebrow. And I'm really curious about this, so I wanna try this. I wanna do a review for this. So wait for that. On the shade Black. Alright, so next is this is from Milani. This is a matte liner, Stay Put Matte liquid liner. This is a 17-hour wear. And I haven't used this yet. This is in a shade of Black Matte. LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in a shade of Eclipse. This is like nude color. Yeah, this is a Fit Me Maybelline New York. I use this many times from my makeup tutorial, and this is really works well to my face. Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles from Maybelline New York again. I use this many times and it's really good. You should try this, guys. I'm not sure, but I guess this is like a $12. This is like a shade gray and black, so this is like for more of smoky makeup. Alright, so next is NYX or NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Suede Cream Bolt. This is with 30 pieces set. 30 pieces, 30 different shades of lipstick. From Soap and Glory, this is like a lip balm with the 3 shades. This is like a berry, cherry, and then coral shade, right? Then next is Ultimate Collection with 10 shade shadow palette from Soap and Glory again. This is with the mirror and applicator. Alright. Next is from Mary Kay, Time Wise. This is a Luminous Wear Liquid Foundation with 29 ml. And the other one is the Moisture Renewing Gel Mask with 85 grams. I actually posted this to my Instagram. If you want to see that, you can look at it to my Instagram. Okay, next is this is from Kiss Blowout Lash. I think I got this from Walmart. Yeah, and then this one also, eyelashes. This is like five pairs of lashes from Cosmania. And then from Kiss again, this is a Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion Nails. This is what I'm using now to my nails. This is like artificial nails, guys. And I believe this is only like $7, 7 or 8, something like that. Next is from Real Technique by Sam and Nick. This is a base powder brush. So if you're going to buy a makeup brush, stick to the trusted brand, which is the Real Techniques or Morphe, and the other brands, you know, for the brushes. So I got this from TJ Maxx. I'm really cute to the Alright, so we're done to the makeup thingy, and now let's proceed to the skincare stuff. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is this 3 times Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Sculpt Serum. This is with 30 ml. And if I'm not mistaken, again, I got this from TJ Maxx. This is really works well again to my face, because I started to use this like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and I noticed that my deep folds here, it's already gone. Yeah, I have here the deep folds in crossfit here, but as you can see, it's not really obvious now, right? This is like for face, body, and hair. This helps reduce the look of wrinkles, fades away crow's feet and deep folds, reveals a tight and youthful complexion. So guys, if you see retinol serum with 4 times, 3 times, or 10 times pa yan, buy it. It's really effective. I know it's expensive, a little bit expensive, but it really effective naman, so it's fine. This helps support natural collagen for plumbing and firming benefits. So you need to buy this, guys, promise. It's really good, especially for those who is already 30 years old plus. Diyan na kasi lumalabas yung mga aging signs natin, right? Organic Care Natural Hair Care Castor detangles and hydrates shampoo for all hair types. This is like organic shampoo, and it's really smooth, really smells good. It's like a perfume smell. I also bought this Himalayan salt, pink salt. This is Dr. Teal's from Walmart, and I bought this for, you know, scrub, because you know what, I'm doing a DIY home remedies for skincare, you know, natural, like scrub, and for my facial mask this is a mask, face mask. So this is a 24 karat or 24K gold face mask firming with 5 pieces. Aqua, this is a brand Aqua, with 3 steps. 1, 1, 2, 3. So I'll show you inside how it looks like. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm going to use this. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Right. You know, before I'm not using a mask, I'm not really using face mask, but I realized that it's really helpful for your face, you know, at least once a week or twice a week, so it makes your face look young, smooth, right? Next is Finishing Touch Flawless, removes hair instantly and pain-free. This is a facial remover with 18K gold plated. This one, I believe it comes with white color, lavender, and unicorn, but this one is black, because I got this like 3 months ago or 4 months ago for my husband, but he's not using it, so I think I'm going to use this for myself instead, right? Okay, so we're done to the skincare products. Now let's proceed to the clothing and accessories. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to show you for the accessories and clothing is this one leather camera case for SX730 Canon. I got this from Amazon, I think less than $20. It's nice. I was looking for the rubber case actually for my camera, you know, but then I can't see anything. This is the one that fits to my camera for vlogging, especially if I'm in travel, right? So a set of pouch bag from Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, it's nice, right? And there's one more again for that, like a set also, but this one is two only. Like a summer bag, right? This is from Madden Girl. This is sling bag, black. Like, like, sumabit. I like it because it's like simple and easy to carry, you know. This shoes. This is a Guess shoes. I got this from, I think, TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I forgot. These shoes again, white shoes. It's like nurse shoes. I got this from Target. I think less than or more than $30. Like a bunny headband. Not the least, we went to T-Mobile 2 weeks ago to buy a new phone with accessories. This is LG G17Q, and it's really amazing. Na-amaze ako sa camera, sa features no cell phone. This one is more high-tech, more bongga. And we bought 2 of these because it's like buy one take one, or buy one get one 50%, something like that. And this is only for my business. Ang gulo, no? My mind is already sleepy. It's already 11, guys. Alright, so that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun for today's video. And sorry if I'm not in the mood. You know, I'm not feeling good right now. I have a sore throat and a little bit headache. Yeah, so anyway, thank you so much. If you have questions or if you want to say something about this video, you can comment below to the comment section. Alright, see you on my next one, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.